Here we have some problems about the area or the perimeter of rectangles. And these are probably going to be a review for you, but it doesn't hurt to brush up. Remember that the area of a rectangle is simply the length times the width. So in a problem like this, it says find the area. You're given the length, you're given the width. The area is just going to be 67 times 29, which is 1,943. Now, with the units, remember, in area, it's units squared, so this is in square feet. All right, this one's slightly more difficult. It says find the area of a rectangle if the length of one of its sides is 7 meters and the length of a diagonal is 11 meters. So we've got some kind of rectangle here. We don't really know how it looks. One side is 7 meters and a diagonal is 11 meters. Now our formula is length times width. It doesn't say anything about a diagonal. So what we want to do is find this other side here, and what we can do is use our knowledge of right triangles and the Pythagorean theorem to solve for that side. So this is a squared, this is b squared, and this is c, well, this is a, this is b, this is c. We can plug them in to the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That would be 7 squared plus b squared equals 11 squared, and that would be 49 plus b squared equals 121, and that would be b squared, we subtract 49 from both sides, is 72, and then we take the square root. So it looks like b is the square root of 72, and now our length times width is simply 7 times the square root of 72. And that, if you punch that into your calculator, should be 59.4, and this was in meters, so this is meters squared. All right, one more. This one's about perimeter. Remember, perimeter is the distance around the outside. So we're not dealing with area in this problem, we're dealing with distance. So our units will not be squared. It says find the perimeter of a rectangle 30.7 centimeters long and 20.8 centimeters wide. So 30.7 and 20.8. So perimeter is the total distance around the outside, so it's 2 lengths plus 2 widths. So 30.7 times 2 plus 20.8 times 2 is going to equal our perimeter, and that comes out to 84.2 centimeters, not squared. So that's a little bit of work with the area and perimeter of rectangles.